Escape to a world where luxury meets equestrian passion. We offer an unparalleled equestrian experience. From gentle hacks through breathtaking landscapes to expert-led riding and dressage clinics, we cater to riders of all ages and levels. Explore miles of picturesque scenery, surrounded by endless olive groves, stretching across sun-drenched hills with breathtaking views. Our expert riding instructors will guide you every step of the way, from beginner basics to advanced techniques. Develop your skills, build confidence, and forge an incredible bond with your equine partner. After a day in the saddle, unwind in the luxurious comfort of our villa. Relax by the pool, indulge in gourmet cuisine expertly crafted by our chef, and share stories of your adventures with fellow riders. Forge lasting friendships with like-minded individuals who share your passion for horses. Experience the magic of connecting with these incredible animals in a truly unforgettable setting.